Hello students, in today's lecture of automobile engineering, we will study significance of body streamlining. This is a point number 1.4 of unit number 1, Introduction to Automobiles. This is also the last part of this unit number 1. In this we will study need and importance of aerodynamic aspects. Basic terms related with car aerodynamics like drag, lift, skin friction, weight, and coefficient of drag. Before that, let us study about history and evolution of aerodynamics in cars. Car design in 1920. In the earlier times, aerodynamics was not a factor as the cars were traveling at very slow speeds. But with increase of speed, it is necessary for cars to become more streamlined, which resulted in smooth design and almost all corners of car are rounded off. During this period, majority of work was done on reducing air drag. In 1950s, up to 1950, the aerodynamic drag had been cut by about 45% of the early cars. However, after this, the level of drag found on cars began to slowly increase. This is due to cars were becoming more family friendly. This changes the streamlined shape of the car into rectangular shape, which is more purposeful to give comfort for the family rather than reducing drag. During 1970s, there was a fuel crisis, and so the demand for more economical cars became greater, which lead to changes in car aerodynamics for achieving more economical cars. If a car has a poor aerodynamics, then the engine has to do more work to go the same distance as a car with a better aerodynamics. Hence, there is an increase in demand for improved aerodynamic car in order to more economical for family. At present, nowadays, almost all cars are manufactured aerodynamically, having good looking, stylish and fuel efficient cars. What is aerodynamics? When objects move through air, forces are generated by the relative motion between the air and the surfaces of the body. Study of these forces generated by the motion of the air is called aerodynamics. This is classified on the basis of flow environment into two categories. One is external aerodynamics and second one is internal aerodynamics. And on the basis of flow behavior, subsonic aerodynamics, sonic aerodynamics, and third one is supersonic aerodynamics. What is internal aerodynamics and what is external aerodynamics? Prediction of forces or moments and heat transfer to aerodynamic bodies like, for example, generation of lift, drag and moments on aerofoils, wings, fuselages, engine necklaces and whole vehicle configuration, estimation of wind force on the building, ships and other surface vehicles, hydrodynamic forces on surface ships, submarines and torpedoes, aerodynamic heating of flight vehicles. These all includes into internal aerodynamics. While flow properties inside rocket and jet engines and to calculate the engine thrust, flow conditions in the test section of wind tunnel, fluid flow through pipes under various conditions, gas dynamic lasers are little different than high speed wind tunnels. All these calculations that are included into external aerodynamics. It means determination of flow moving internally through the ducts, that is external aerodynamics, and prediction of forces, moments and heat transfer to aerodynamic bodies, that is included into internal aerodynamics. Aerodynamic problems can also be classified according to whether the flow speed is below, near and or above the speed of sound. A problem is called subsonic if all the speeds in the problem are less than the speed of sound. Transonic if the speed both below and above the speed of the sound are present. Normally when the characteristic speed is approximately the speed of the sound. Supersonic when the characteristic flow speed is greater than the speed of the sound. and hypersonic when the flow speed is much greater than the speed of the sound. So this way the aerodynamics is classified. Where is the field of application? Aerodynamics can be used in aerospace engineering, in design of automobile. It is also used in prediction of forces and moments in ships and sails, in the design of bridges and buildings for calculating wind loads. What are the aerodynamic forces on aerofoil? This is very important. Consider of aerofoil move through air. Forces which are considered for aerodynamic analysis over aerofoil are: number one is lift, caused body to rise. This is a lift. Drag force, which is nothing but fluid resistance, weight and thrust. This figure indicates all these four forces: lift, thrust, drag and weight. What is lift? It is the sum of all fluid dynamic forces on the body normal to the direction of external flow around the body. It is caused by Bernoulli's effect. It results body to rise by creating pressure difference. What is drag? It is the sum of all external forces in the direction of fluid flow, so it acts opposite to the direction of object. It is the force which opposes forward motion of the body through the fluid. What is weight? It is actually just the weight of the object that is in motion, that is the mass of the object multiplied by the magnitude of the gravitational field. When a body is in the motion, a drag force is created which opposes the forward motion of the object, so thrust can be the force produced in opposite direction to drag. It must be higher than that of the drag so that the body can move through the fluid. Let us see the advantages of aerodynamics in the cars. It gives more fuel efficiency, higher speeds, good aesthetic and stylish appearance of the car, more stability of car at a higher speed and reduces noise level. Which are the aerodynamic devices in the cars? There are three major devices. Number one is wings, number two is spoiler and number three is scoops. What is wing? Probably the most popular form of aerodynamic device is the wing. Wing perform very efficiently and generating lots of downforce in the car. The wings works by differentiating pressure on the top and bottom surface. Spoiler. They act like a barrier to airflow in order to build up higher air pressure in front of the trunk of the car. It is mostly used in race cars which are lighter in rear end because low pressure created above the trunk which lifts the rear end of the car. Hence spoilers are used to create high pressure that pushes down the car, and also it gives stability to corners. Scoops. Scoops or positive pressure intake consist of an air box which has an opening that permits an adequate volume of air to directly enter. Its main function is to provide higher pressure, denser and adequate volume of outside air directly into the engine compartment. These are some of the references. Thank you very much.